What's happening? Welcome everybody to another pack show, the thizzle Man show. Today we got 20, 20, 20, 21 NBA hoops, basketball cards. So let's get right into it. Alright, I just bought this box. And I think I might have bought the wrong one, but that's alright. I want to see what it's like to have one of these boxes. A brand new, actually. A brand new box. Everything's brand new about it. So it's a brand new box. Just ripping it up right now. See, as I take off the plastic. Hold on. Yeah, we're taking off the plastic. Alright. Let's put this down a little bit. There. There we go. Looks better. Alright. Well, let's get right into it. Adjust this a little bit. Adjust that. There. Yeah, so I might have bought the wrong box, but it's alright. As long as we got basketball cards to open up, we'll be alright. So, and that is, let's get right into it. For the first pack, look at the dragon, be with us. Let's open up these packs of cards. Alright, let's see what we get. I already want something big. So, let's see. Ooh, Tyler Hero for our first card. Then we get what we got? Jamal Murray. Tyler Hero. Tyler Hero's our first card. Then Jamal Murray. Then we get a Gordon Hayward. Yeah, Gordon Hayward. Then we get a Paul George. We get a Paul George. Then we get a Giannis. Then for our first insert, this is our first insert. It's a lights, camera, action, Zion Williams. So that's our first insert. As you can see, here's the back. It's not explosive, but it's alright. So it might be worth a few dollars. Get a few dollars out of it, so that's alright. Then for our rookies, we get Oyiki Okongwu for our first rookie. Then we get a Saban Lee for our next rookie. Alright, so those are our rookies. That's the first pack, alright. On to the second pack. Look at the dragon, be with this as we open up these packs of cards. Alright, let's get lucky. Let's see what we get. Alright, so we get a Ricky Rubio. That's nice. I like Ricky Rubio. See how he's a Timberwolf. Alright, so that's one. Then we get a Malcolm Gordon. Okay, we get that. Then we get a Stephen Curry. Alright, then we get a LeBron James base card. Then we get a Jared Allen. Then we get a frequent Flyers Giannis as our second insert. It's not an explosion, but that's alright. We'll take an insert. There's the back of it. Here that is. So is it one insert per pack? Is that what it is? Then we get a Malachi Flynn as our rookie. Then a Daniel Altuve as our other rookie. So that's that pack. All right. On to the next pack. Luck of the Dragon be with us as we open up these packs of cards. All right. Let's get lucky. I want to get lucky. Let's get lucky like a lucky duck. Be really lucky. Alright. Open up this pack. Let's see what we get. Alright. We get a Kevin Love. The Johnson Murray. Kevin Herterer. Then we get a Thaddeus Young. Ooh, then we get a Klay Thompson. Like that. And for our third insert, we get a jersey swap. Drew Holiday and Anthony Davis. For our jersey swap, yeah, so I think it's 2 rookies, an insert, and all base cards for these packs of cards. So we get that. So here that is. This is the back of that card. That is. Alright. That was pretty good. Then we get a Jaden McDaniels rookie and a Vernon Carey Jr. Ooh, I thought that was a LaMelo Ball. Alright. On to the next pack. Luck of the Dragon be with us as we open up this pack of cards. Alright. Let's get lucky. Like a lucky bear. We want to be a lucky bear. Alright. So let's get lucky. We get a Fernie Simmons, Miles Bridges, Dwight Howard, Spencer Dinwiddie, Joel Embiid. Then we get a insert of, oh, it's a rookie insert. No, yeah, it is. Aaron Nesmith rookie card for 2020 draft. So this must be a rookie insert, as you can see. So that's who that is. Yeah, I think it's a rookie insert. So that's what that is. All right. So that's our insert, a rookie insert. Then we get Zeke Naji. Ooh, I think that's a good one. Then we get a James Wiseman as our rookies. Alright. So that's that pack. On to the next pack. Look at the Dragon be with us as we open up these packs of cards. Alright. Let's open up these packs of cards. See what we get. Alright. So we get a PJ Washington Jr. Clint Capella. Bobby Hill. see what else. Al Horford. Fred VanVleet. Oh, as we get a explosion of, and it's numbered. Oh my goodness, Dwight Powell. Ooh, we just got our first explosion. This is our first explosion right here. It's number 20 out of 59. Oh, look at, yay for that. Oh, it's such a nice card. It's a Mavs team, and it goes blue, so it looks real nice. Oh, and it's numbered. Wow, that's a nice one. It's really a nice one. Happy to get that one. There's the back of it. Here's the front. As you can see, it's all holographic. Can you see all the hollow? Yeah, there it is. It's all holographic. So that's what that is. Alright. That's our insert. Then our rookies are Cassius Winston and Trey Jones. Alright. We're gonna leave on this note. We're happy to have basketball cards finally on this channel. This is our first basketball break. So we're happy for that. We're gonna end on this note for now. Expect the next video sooner. Yeah, so please like the video. Please watch the videos. Please subscribe to the channel and comment if you like. And expect more content as we continue this journey with the luck of the dragon and of pack openings and box openings. And we will continue to open up packs of cards and make content for y'all. Alright, well, I'm out. I got things to do.